Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm making pumpkin talkari just in time for Diwali, and this recipe is really special to me because this is how my grandmother used to make it. And long ago when I was in primary school, I would walk home just to eat this with white rice. Pumpkin and rice, my favorite, was one of the favorite meals that she made for me. So to make this recipe on medium heat, add your pot with some oil, go in with a few methi or fenugreek seeds and allow those to toast until they're dark brown in color, and then add in chopped onions and pimento peppers. Give that a mix and allow it to cook until the onions start to turn tender, translucent and lightly brown on the edges. You want the flavor to come out before you add in the garlic. Next, I'm going to add in the garlic and give that a mix and allow it to cook until the garlic is light brown in color. This is not going to take more than a minute. It happens really quickly. That's why you always cook the onions first. Now we're going to add in our washed and chopped pumpkin. I love this orange pumpkin more than the yellow pumpkin. A tablespoon of green seasoning. In goes a teaspoon of salt and her secret ingredient, brown sugar. It's going to make this so delicious. Without the brown sugar, this will never taste the same. Your pumpkin can be how sweet, I promise you. Add a little sugar or honey in there and it takes it over the top. So now we're going to cover this and allow it to cook. Don't add any water. The steam is going to help that pumpkin cook and soften. And it's going to cook until it's really soft. You can go in and check on it while it's cooking. Make sure it's not sticking and it's not burning. And you can see how the pumpkin is already starting to break down. So I'm going to allow it to continue to cook. I want some of that liquid, those natural juices from the pumpkin, to start to dry out. And then you'll use the back of your spoon and start smashing down on the pumpkin. I like it really smooth. I don't like chunky pieces of pumpkin in there. Now at this point, it's done. All you have to do is finish with a little bit of roasted ground geera or cumin powder over the top. Mix that in, taste and adjust your salt, and this is ready to be enjoyed with toasty roti or paratha, or as I like it, with white rice. I hope you guys enjoyed my grandmother's recipe for pumpkin. Try it, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do check out my Diwali playlist and my prayers food playlist for all your Diwali necessities. Bye everyone.